Welcome to Quick Pick. Top 10 Best Compact Refrigerators 2023. Top 1. Blaze, 24-inch 5.5 cubic feet outdoor rated compact refrigerator, BLZSSRF 5.5. White LED lit cabinet will never leave you fumbling for drinks in the dark. Digital thermostat dials in precise temperatures, while the display lets you confidently track them. Elegantly crafted with 304-grade stainless steel, the undisputed champion of durability in the elements, spacious refrigerator can hold up to 152 cans for entertaining even the largest crowds. Blaze has your back with best-in-class customer service and a 1-year limited warranty. Blaze 24-inch 5.5 cubic feet outdoor rated compact refrigerator, BLZSSRF 5.5. BLZSSRF 5.5. Outdoor compact refrigerators. This elegantly designed outdoor refrigerator is also surprisingly practical, from the white LED lighting for nighttime use to the digital thermostat and temperature display that keep you in control of cooling. And that does not even factor in the whopping capacity of this unit, up to 152 cans at once, more than enough to quench the thirst of your whole crew. The spacious Blaze 24-inch outdoor refrigerator is built from durable, 304-grade stainless steel and carries a 1-year limited warranty along with best-in-class customer service. In short, Blaze has your back. Top 2. Frigidaire FR840 Black Compact Refrigerator, 3.1, Black. Retro design, compact in size and attractive retro design with decorative door embellishments that give this retro refrigerator a sleek contemporary look. Easy to clean, has 2 spill-proof and removable glass shelves that slide out to simplify cleanup, preventing liquids from leaking onto items below. Plenty of storage. This 3.2 cubic feet mini fridge has a lot of storage with a 0.25 cubic foot freezer with ice cube tray. Refrigerator compartment has a crisper drawer and 2 shelves. Easy temperature control. This chic unit features easily accessible temperature controls make temperature management easy. Great for small spaces, compact size allows for placement of this refrigerator virtually anywhere there is an electrical outlet. Flush-back design makes this the perfect choice for a college dorm room or office. Top 3. RCA, 2-door, compact refrigerator freezer, reversible doors, adjustable thermostat, 3.2 cubic feet black. Adjustable thermostat. Our refrigerator has an adjustable thermostat and compressor cooling for ultimate cooling even in the hottest weather. Dimensions, 20.09 inches D, including handles, 16.92 inches depth, less door, height to top of door hinge, 33 inches 19.09 inches W, ample space. Even with its compact size, it comes with a 2-door configuration just like regular room-sized refrigerators, the top section for the freezer, and the bottom unit for the refrigerator. ECO-friendly engineering, semiconductor refrigeration chip is Freon-free and environmentally friendly. Quiet technology keeps sound at a minimum, 25 decibels, so you can rest easy. Compact and efficient, with a 3.2 cubic foot space and weighing 57 pounds, it saves quite some space for you to have more appliances, and with a reversible door that accommodates both right and left-handed use, it makes it even easier to use for everyone. Top 4. Danby, Designer DARO 44A4BDD6 4.4 Cu.Ft. Mini fridge, compact refrigerator for bedroom, living room, bar, dorm, kitchen, office, E-Star in black. Compact mini fridge. This Danby Designer Counter High mini fridge is the ideal mini fridge for additional refrigerator space in the kitchen, basement, family room, dorm or office. Fresh food capacity, 4.4 cubic feet, 4.4 cubic feet, 124 liters, capacity. The all-refrigerator unit is roomy with 4.4 cubic feet of fridge space, integrated door shelving. Tall bottle storage is ideal for large pop, water, juice, or other drink bottles. Can store beverage dispensing system, efficient and tidy can storage integrated into the mini refrigerator door. Clean, bright and modern, white interior with bright interior lighting, wire shelves, integrated door handle and functional scratch-resistant worktop, fits anywhere. Smooth back design with no bulky exposed components means this small mini fridge can fit just about anywhere in your room. Versatile, reversible door hinges, and 2 full-width and 1-1/2 width adjustable wire shelves for undisrupted air circulation. Top 5. VEVOR, Outdoor Refrigerator, 24 inches built-in Undercounter Refrigerator, 5.3 Cu.Ft. Built-in Beverage Refrigerator, Stainless Steel Compact Refrigerator Mini Bar Beer Fridge for home, bar, office, outdoor. 150L capacity, storage your beverages in this 5.3 cubic feet capacity fridge, which allows you to get freezing drinks whenever you want. The reversible door hinge allows you to freely decide its opening direction, left or right. The integrated door lock provides extra security from unauthorized usage. Digital temperature control, precise and concise control area with simple buttons of switch, illumination and temperature adjustment, buttons with an easy-to-read digital display of 34 to 50. 1 to 10? To ensure optimal beverage experience. 304S US body insulates heat efficiently and keeps cool inside even under severe conditions with 104.40 environment temperature and 65% humidity. Advanced quality, ETL approved. Sleek and fashionable solid stainless steel construction, rust-proof and easy to clean. Thickened handle for easier opening. The gasket securely guards the inner environment and prevents leakage or corrosion, can be removed without effort for cleaning or replacement. Convenient usage, fan-circulated air is more evenly and efficient than cold plate cooling. The world-famous Embraco compressor, together with 100W cooling power, works stably and efficiently while saving energy. Chrome-plated 4-layer shelf design, the position can be adjusted according to your own need without effort, thus allowing improved flexibility. The auto defrost function is included. Top 6. Danby DCRDO 42C1 BSSDB3 4.2 cubic feet. Compact fridge top mount in stainless steel refrigerator. 4.2 cubic feet, 118L, capacity top mount compact refrigerator, full width freezer section with shelf, manual defrost system, stainless steel doors, Energy Star compliant, environmentally friendly R600A refrigerant, 2 full width and 1-1/2 width adjustable glass shelves. This 4.2 Cu.Ft. 118L, top mount compact refrigerator by Danby is perfect for small apartments, rec rooms, home bars, and cottages. This stainless steel dual-door fridge comes equipped with 1 full-width freezer section and a large fridge section with 2 full-width and 1-1/2 width adjustable glass shelves. This mini fridge fits in almost any space with its reversible door hinge for right or left-hand opening. The operation of this top-mount fridge is made simple with a mechanical thermostat and manual defrost. And you won't have to worry about not enough storage space since this compact comes with 1 big vegetable crisper, integrated door shelves, and tall bottle storage. Lastly, this model is Energy Star compliant and runs on environmentally friendly R600A refrigerant. Top 7. Black Plus Decker BCRK25B, compact refrigerator Energy Star single door mini fridge with freezer, 2.5 cubic feet, black. Compact and stylish, this space-saving small refrigerator, 17.5 x 18.5 inches x 26.6 inches stores food, soda, beer, and other beverages with minimal energy and without taking up too much space. The sleek, modern design, available in black, stainless steel, and white, is perfect for college dorm rooms, offices, garages, home bars, small apartments, and RV campers. Large capacity, the 2 removable glass shelves expand the storage space and makes the fridge easy to clean. Additional door storage fits 5 12-ounce cans, like soda and beer, small containers on the top shelf, and 2-liter door storage for taller bottles. Convenient features, a reversible door, leveling legs, and adjustable temperature control, 32 degrees Fahrenheit at the lowest setting, make this mini fridge even more practical. The small freezer, 12.8 inches wide x 4.3 inches tall, fits ice packs, most frozen dinners, and the included ice tray. Ultra-quiet, low-sound operation, 45 decibels, is perfect for places where you don't want a noisy appliance, waiting rooms, TV and game rooms, and even baby rooms where you can store milk for easy feeding. Top 8. Unveiling AFR 152 SSRH 15-inch wide 3.3 cubic feet compact refrigerator with LED lighting and right swing door. 3.3 cubic feet capacity gives you ample refrigeration storage options. A wide thermostat range of 34 to 65 degF allows you to dial in the perfect temperature. Versatile design allows for built-in or freestanding installation, and a slim 15-inch width is ideal for compact installations. Includes 3 sanded glass finish shelves and racks in the door that provide a myriad of storage options. Dimensions: height January 8, 34. Depth May 8, 23. Width 15 inches. Top 9. Summit Appliance ARG1 PV PharmaVac Performance Series 1 Cu.Ft. Countertop compact vaccine commercial all refrigerator with glass door, automatic defrost, digital thermostat and white cabinet. Designed and purpose-built for pharmacy, medication, and vaccine applications to support meeting CDC/VFC guidelines. Improved temperature accuracy with a separate temperature probe for continuous product readout to simulate stored product temperature. Additional sensor reads interior air temperature for superior temperature control. Temperature variable in Celsius or Fahrenheit to the nearest degree. Optimized forced air cooling for excellent temperature stability and uniformity with rapid recovery after door openings and product loading. Top 10. Honeywell Compact Refrigerator 3.3 cubic feet mini fridge with freezer, single door, low noise, removable shelves, for bedroom, office, dorm with adjustable temperature settings, stainless steel. Frozen compartment, separate chiller compartment allows you to keep a few items frozen inside this refrigerator. Temperature control, adjustable thermostat to help keep your food and drinks at the desired temperature. Manual defrost, reversible door. The door can be configured to open on the right or the left. Can dispenser rack on the door can hold 8 soda cans. The Honeywell 3.3 cubic feet compact refrigerator has an adjustable thermostat, reversible door, recessed door handle, adjustable shelves, and freezer compartment. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.